Hi there. Welcome back to the Straightforward Digital Strategy channel, where we give you bite-sized pieces of context into the current AI landscape. I'm your host, Peter Linton. In today's video, we're going to cover effectiveness as the first portion of the AI fluency framework. The four portions of the framework are effectiveness, efficiency, ethics, and safety. I've come up with a four-step process that allows you to be effective in implementing AI. The first step is understanding your goal. The second step is communicating that goal. The third step is assessing the available options. The fourth step is understanding the benefits and limitations of those available options in order to decide which tool to go with. So in order to have another person or AI agent help you accomplish your goal, they need to understand what that goal is. In order to communicate that to them, you first need to have a clear understanding of what that goal is for yourself. And then secondly, you need to be able to communicate that, whether it be through written language, spoken language, visual images, in order to have that other person or AI agent help you implement that goal. So it's important to understand going into the project what your needs are and what tools are available that best serve those needs. And you need to determine which AI technology is best suited for the specific goal that you have in mind. Once you have this understanding of benefits and limitations, then you're able to select one and implement it. Join us next video when we go over the second pillar of AI fluency, efficiency. Until next time.